Yo guys, Paunchy here, and today I want to show you how to set the velocity settings on your EP-133 k.o.ii by Teenage Engineering. Longest name ever. Let's go. So I noticed by default the velocity settings are turned off, which I found kind of odd. Maybe that's just me because I like to finger drum and stuff like that. But, you know, being as these are velocity sensitive pads, I definitely want to take advantage of that. So the way to get to it is you hit Shift and Erase, which will take you to System. And then you press plus and minus to go back and forth, go over to Pad. And then the Enter button is right here. Go ahead and hit Enter. That takes you to velocity amongst other settings here. So go ahead and hit Enter on velocity, and by default it is off. So you want to hit plus and go to either high or low. So high and low, that translates to sensitivity. So if you don't want to have to hit super hard, then keep it on high because it'll be really sensitive. So you don't have to hit too hard to get it to, you know, make a loud noise, a full velocity noise. Otherwise, if you like to hit pads pretty hard normally, you know, like maybe you're used to the MPC or something like that, go ahead and set it to low, because then that way you can really pound them and, you know, they won't be too loud. So, you know, or the velocities won't be high all the time. You know what I mean? So once you decide, go ahead and hit Enter. Little brain pops up, and then hit Main. Try it out. So another thing, another little shortcut, is because sometimes maybe you do want to turn off the velocity, which would translate to, you know, I believe on the MPC it's like the accent button or whatever it's called. But anyway, if you turn off the velocity, of course, your hits will just always be at full volume. So the shortcut to do it, this may or may not be quicker to you, I don't know, but here's another way to do it. Hit Shift and Erase again to get to System, and then you have these codes. So if you type in 300, that is actually the way to turn off the velocity. And then hit Enter, and you'll notice it flashed off for a sec there. But if you do 301, oh, you got to go Shift and Erase again. 301, Enter, you'll notice it goes back to high. And then you probably guessed it, 302 is low velocity. So Shift, Erase, 302. Enter, bam, low. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it at high, 301, and because that's where I like it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So hope that helps you guys. If you have any questions, leave a question down below. If you have any comments, also leave them down below. And we'll see you guys in the next video.